Happy birthday, Jesus. Merry Christmas to all. From all of us.
Tignan mo, parang number yan. Oh. Kita.
7:34. Oh, may ano, may card.
From the land of the city. Dadaling kita sa palasyo.
Ano, tingnan niyo. Kita niyo ba nasa ano?
Pagbaba na, pag ano natin, di maglakad na lang tayo. Balik.
Karawahe. Saan dinala? O, doon. Ang aking karawahe. Dadaling kami ni Ilig sa palasyo. Nasaan ang araw? Wala na. Wala nang araw. Ngad pa lang, kumukuti-kutitap na. Ito entrance pa lang, hahanga ka na. Ito ang Emirates Palace, Abu Dhabi. Diba ang ganda? Mangha ka sa kanilang Christmas decor. Ayan na, pinaka kakaiba. Wow, from the top to the bottom, makikita natin. Sobrang ganda ng kanilang Christmas tree. At dahil 2026 is coming, Lucky Horse ang kanilang design ngayon. Ang ganda, mamamangha ka talaga sa Christmas Day. Pero may model pa sila. Hanapin natin kung nasaan ang ikot po kayo. Ito ay makikita dito sa Emirates Palace, Abu Dhabi. Pinipicturan ko rin itong dito sa mga tabi-tabi. Along to the right side, makikita natin ang iba't ibang reindeer decoration. Diba? Sobrang dalhin kita sa aking palasyo. At ito ang makikita mo sa palasyo. Sobrang ganda. Kasama na nagagandahang dekorasyon nila. Ang aming model. Ano yan? Wala naman yan. Thank you, Abu Dhabi.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to all. It is inside the palace during the Christmas season. Merry Christmas! Along our way, yan, no? Ang mga decoration. Crystal decoration. Their cafe, restaurant.
Well, those are
This is
the actual
the
menu.
evening
I know, but
in
that's
January.
you know.
Prawn side
I remember
of
Solan's
Emirates
wedding,
Palace, Abu
their
Dhabi.
Lima. is the most recent one.
Dazzling
Yeah.
light,
Never that many
fountains,
tables. Interesting. Expectations we were
and a
kind of
beautiful
like
surroundings.
meandering around. Yeah. It's not like there's like expected to be one seat per.
Welcome to Emirates Palace Abu Dhabi at the evening view. Yan. Diyan po kami nag-start, pumasok. Ito naman ang makikita mo yung view from the front side kapag gabi. This is the view of Emirates Palace Abu Dhabi in the evening. Si Angelique habang nagpapahangin. At si Papa habang busy sa pagsiselfon. Of course, sa pagpipicture.
Well, those are to
can
see the
watch
actual
that
ceremony. I know, but
in
like,
January.
you know, like I remember Solarence's wedding, their Halima, which was the most recent one I went to that we were actually paying attention. There weren't that many tables. Interesting. Expectations we were kind of like meandering around. Yeah, it's not like there's like expected to be one seat per.